Hello again, it's Noob, and this is just a midweek package opening video. Subscriber Isaac over in Greece sent me a package. It's rare I get packages from Greece, so I'm super excited to open this one up. And I'm going to try my best not to slice into whatever's on the inside of this, or whatever, with this slightly blunt box cutter, but I think we'll get there. There we go. Nice. Okay. Very nicely packaged in here. Let's have a look what we got. So let's have a look at this little tube and see what's in here first. Always interesting to see what's in a tube. Is it a tool? Is it a pick? Is it... Oh, very nice. So it looks like we have some turning tools, and be very gentle with this. Oh, it looks like it's poked through its packaging a little bit. No, it still wants to poke through the packaging. Ah, here we go. There we go. Oh, look at that. And it's bent a little bit. So we might be able to bend that back out. I don't know if that was bent in the post, but it looks like a one-piece lockpick. And having ground down metal like this before, that takes a lot of effort. So yeah, I might have to gently bend that back. I don't want to hurt it, so I'll do that off camera. I don't want to risk necessarily damaging it any further. But that's, I mean, it's just a lovely lockpick, isn't it? So nice. So well made and polished, and just look at that thickness reduction there. That's incredible, really is. Love it. So there's some turning tools here, which are offset slightly. Let's grab a lock and see how that. This is not a bad example of a lock, that one, because that is extremely tight Keyways. Let's grab one of these. Okay, so it just offsets it slightly. I like this. You got one that way as well. I'll have to try these out a bit more to see how they are, really work and how they feel. But I do like them a lot. They're nice and robust as well, very thick. I like that. You get much better feedback. Although this one's a bit thinner, so it's definitely different thicknesses here as well. Oh wow, I like that. Very, very nice. Lovely turning tools. And clearly been heated to get that right angle, which does again take a lot of effort. I've done this before, and it's really hard to get a really nice right angle bend like that on metal, especially of this thickness. Very cool though. So that's 4 lovely turning tools there. Definitely going to have to try that out in a lock, can't I? Just off camera, I straightened this up with some non-marring pliers, and I think I did a really good job at straightening that out. And this looks really nice. I definitely have to pick something with this at the end of the video, aren't I? Because it just feels really good. And this taper here is really nice sort of thickness. The handle, you don't really use that other than to rest the pick on your hand and counterbalance it. But that taper here, this first taper, it's very comfortable on the fingertip. So definitely gonna have to give that a bit of a workout towards the end of the video, aren't I? Anyway, back to the package. So, let's have a look. What do we have here? This is a Domus lock. Not familiar with this one at all. Kind of cool though. I like the symbol there. Can you just see that? Very nice. Nice and smooth. It's only a little 4-pinner. How cute. Rarely see a 4-pin Euro like this. Very, very nice. In fact, it's brilliant just to see a 4-pin Euro. Now we have a Caesar. I don't know the model of this. It could be the Astral. It could be, but I'm not sure. It's got quite a deep bit of warding here, so I'm going to say it looks like an Astral. I might be wrong. Please do shout at me in the comments if I am wrong. Ah, yes, a Hugo. Now I've heard of this, but I don't have one. I don't think I've ever picked one. And it looks like a Series 20 clone, the American Lock Series 20 clone, I think, or Series 50. I don't know which one. Oh, but nice keyway. Look at that. Still open, not quite paracentric, but a bit different to your standard American style keyway. This is the GTA 45. Very, very nice. So I think it's the same width as the Series 20 American locks, I think. Again, do jump in and correct me if I am wrong. Let's pop that back in the bag so I don't scratch the lovely anodized finish with the keys as I slide this back into the box. There we go. Love that. Right, now I'm going to move the box out of the way and look at some more things. This is a lovely, lovely package, isn't it? Super lucky to get this all the way from Greece as well. I botched opening this bag up, but here we go. Oh, these are cute. Fashionetti, FF Fashionetti, I think. This is an Italian brand. That's very cute. I love this. Tiny little lock, maybe for a desk. Possibly a door, but possibly a desk. And this is it's at the other side. So it's probably actually for a door, I think. This is the wrong key for that, so I don't think that works. Looking at the keyways, they appear the same, but I don't think that will fit in. It's just too big, but very, very cute. I actually like Fashionetti locks. They sometimes have some very nice spools in. And if I pronounce that wrong, any Italians watching, I apologise. Another Domus with, I'm going to have to look up this make, Domus. Okay, just looked it up, and apparently Domus are a Greek brand of locks. So, unless I've got that wrong, then either way, but I've never picked a Domus before, and I've never picked a lock made in Greece before, so I mean, this is brilliant. How cool to be able to pick locks from a whole different place. Another Domus, but this is a dimple lock Domus, and it looks like it's actually a double row as well. Look down there. So I don't know if these are active or passive pins, but it could just be a top and bottom row of active pins. That's going to be a difficult one. 5 pins on the bottom. Could be some active pins on, or passive pins on the top. Very, very awesome. What else do we have here? I'm just going to open the pack, so I'm doing a touch bad job. Oh wow, this is an old Caesar lock. Look at that. It's beautiful. And 4 pins again. That is really lovely. Very, very old. Because where's that later? You see the difference in brands? Look at that. Lovely. Love seeing an older lock like this. So cool. Don't know what this one is. It looks like a Caba 8. I'm going to say Caba 8. Possibly unbranded, but it looks like a Caba 8. I'm going to stick with that. There's a little note in here which I can read in a minute. And nothing else in the package. It's already been a super generous package as it is. So, oh cool, some key rings. It's like the hardest Ziploc bag ever to open. There's a little note in there as well. So some nice, little braided cord key rings. I do like those, very nice. There's a little note in here as well. Let me have a quick look at that. Oh, so Isaac actually has 2 hobbies: lockpicking and knotting, or cord braiding, or I don't know what the skill or the hobby is. Again, jump in the comments, let me know. But that's very cool, isn't it? And it's always nice to have some proper keychains to stick onto some of my nicer locks. Okay, I just read the letter, and there's some really cool information in here as well. So yes, he confirms that Domus is actually a brand from Greece, and this dimple lock here is called the Domus Alpha, which is kind of cool. Yeah, probably a very hard lock to gut. This one is apparently a Kiso, so it could be a Kiso. I forget which one is it. It might be a Kiso 10 maybe. I don't know, but it could be a Kiso. And yeah, this lovely pick is made out of a butter knife. So I think we need to use this X butter knife and some of these tensioners which are designed for top of the keyway picking within the hand on a lock. I just need to find a suitable lock and we'll cut away to that. So I've got this nice spoolie padlock here, which I absolutely adore picking. And this is tapered down so nicely that it should be able to pick up through this warding no problems. It's only, I think, 5 pins, but just chock full of the nicest sort of spools in this lock. I really like it. So yeah, we're already sort of into a lovely false set. So just going to go through and see what needs to be picked now. So pin 4, see that beautiful false set here? Pin 3 back into a lovely false set. Pin 2 quite high up into the open. Look at that, lovely. What a great lock. And as you'd expect, some fantastic feedback from a pick made it within one piece of metal. Yeah, that's like the ultimate feedback on this. Absolutely brilliant. So Isaac, thank you so much for this really fun package with so many cool locks. A lot which I have never picked before, never picked a Domus before. I really look forward to having a go with this, especially that Hugo padlock. Oh, absolutely brilliant. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video as well. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you have a comment about the locks, the tools, the tensioners, the knotted keychains, whatever has been on this video, do comment below. Let Isaac know just how awesome this package was. I do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, and of course I will see you all next time.